show. Hello 4A, this is what I'm going to be making. I'm going to be making chicken pie chicken, and yeah, so first thing what we're going to do is, so what you want is, some ham, you want some cheese, you want some chicken and some pastry, and you might add some sauce if you want some. And first you want to do this, then take it off, then do another one. So you do 2 of them, then you do 2 of these, then you do another one over here, and then you're ready for that. Then we have another ones and other ones over there. Then next what you want to do is you want to grab one of these ones. Okay, so first thing is you want to grab some chicken, mix it up with the ham and cheese. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to do some cheese and mix it with the chicken. So let's grab a lot. Oh, that's not much. So we're mixing it. Then we have to, I'll just do another dump. Oh, that's just a little bit. Mix it. So use all the cheese. Put it in there. And yeah, then you want to mix it. You want to get it really in there. Now, if you want some here a minute. So let's do some scoops. Let's just dump that in. Then mix it. Oh, this looks very yum. Now this is going to be very delicious. I have made more ones myself. So then you want your tomato sauce. You can choose any one, barbecue sauce. I don't really care. You just choose the sauce if you want. Then you want to put it in there good, and then yeah, then mix it. Now what you want to do is grab this, bring it all the way over here. Now you have this thing. Now, this is a pie maker, and I'm going to grab these ones, and this is very hot, so I recommend you to be careful. Then we'll grab another one. Oh no. Now this is very hard and very scary. You don't want to burn your hand. Now, after you're done, oh no. After you're done all of them, then you grab this delicious salad, even when it's not a salad, it looks like one. Now, we're going to do this. You're going to bring it over to them and do that. Yeah. Yeah, so that's pretty good for that one. Then, grab another spoon. Oh, okay, you can have that one. So then you go to the next one, do some more deliciousness, and grab some more, put on the next one. Now, this is very yummy, I would say. I would eat it myself. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do that, and now you wanna keep filling them up. Oh no. Okay, so now you still have your stuff. Still have some more. Fill them up until they're full. And then, yeah. Then you grab these ones. You grab them. Put it on top. Then you grab the other one. You grab a few, put them on top. Simple. Like a biscuit. Grab the last one. Put it right there. Now I'm gonna close it and be careful. Careful while you're closing it. And in the meantime, we have some already cooked. And I'm gonna try one. This is gonna be probably very delicious. It's very good. Now, professionals always taste it before the other people do. It's very yummy. All of it's in there. Another thing, it's in there. We didn't put in those ones over there, but it's fine. I'm gonna keep eating these. Now you wanna wait 7 to 10 minutes, and 7 minutes doing that, then 2 minutes cooling them down. Yeah. Bye.